Hi guys, welcome to Angular tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be looking into how to share the data between components. Um, so please subscribe our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon button. So there are four methods exist to share the data between components. The first one is says when we need to share the data from parent component to child component, and for this purpose we use input decorator. The second method is child component to parent component. So when we need to pass data from child back to parent components, we use the view child object and ng after view init. Third method is also child component to parent component, and for that purpose we use output decorator and event emitter. I will explain later why we um, need two methods for this purpose. So when I come to make the video for child component to the parent component, I will explain more in details. The fourth one is when we need to share the data between unrelated components. For this we use service. Hello guys, so welcome to Angular tutorial. As I explained before, that we have like four methods to share the data between components. So for this video I'm just gonna concentrate on the very first one, and I try to keep this video as short as possible. So as you can see the page, I've already got this Angular application running. So let me jump into the actual application. So as you can see, I've already created two components, parent component and child component, and the content you were seeing was coming from this app component HTML page. So let me get rid of this text, so we should see only this one. So obviously, as I said before, I'm just gonna create a small application to show you how to um, pass the data from parent component to child component, and I'll also show you like dynamically by doing the uh, two-way binding. So when I type something in a text box inside the parent component, that should appear in the child component as well. So I quickly add the parent component and as well as child component as well. As you can see, I've typed both of them in app component HTML. So the child component is not actually child to parent at the moment. So if I just save it, I'll show you. So as you can see, they're both appearing like separately inside the app component HTML. So I'm gonna make the child component the child of the parent component. So what I would do is remove this child from here, go inside the parent component and paste it here. Control K S to save everything. So now you can see the child component is appearing inside the parent component. So the message I'm going to print here for the parent message, I want to see this message coming to the to here where it says message from the parent. So let me start coding. So you should go to inside the parent component TS file, and you define your variable. So I'll call it parent message, and sorry, this is a string, and inside the constructor I just set the value for this this variable. So I just say this is parent message, and copy and paste here. So if I do Control K S, so as you can see, so this is the parent message, which also appearing inside this box, which already mentioned here ng model parent message. So what we trying to do is pass this message to this child component. So what you're supposed to do is you go to child component TS file, and you use the input decorator, and I just name it child message, the variable name, and this is going to be type string. So I'm already importing input from the Angular core library. So that's how you define your input decorated child message, and then your child message you place it where you like referencing the child component inside the parent. So here you just do the square brackets, the child message variable is equal to the parent message. So now if I just do control KS, and then obviously you have to put this child variable here with the string interpolation. So when you save it, so now you can see this. So this is parent message is coming here as well inside the child component. That's how you transfer data from parent to child. Basically you need an input decorator to do that. And let me change the message here, see what happened if I delete everything. So as you can see, it's been deleted from the parent message, and also here as well. So I just said this, just let me type something out. This is message being typed inside the text box. So something like that, or just delete it, just called welcome to whatever. Now so as you can see, that's how you pass the a value from the parent components to the child component. And I quickly show you how I'm doing this ng model two-way binding. If I go to parent TS file, sorry, the HTML, as you can see, I've done it to a square bracket and a round bracket. Ng model is going to be the parent message now. So this is the value set. This is the variable I've set inside the TS file. So whenever you use the ng model, you must make sure that inside your app module TS file, you must import the forms module. This is very important to use the ng model. So you must import it, and also in here you must define the forms module. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel if you like this video. Thank you so much, and don't forget to click the bell icon for more latest video. Thanks.